Turn on.
Wait lang. Hintay natin. Kasama mo.
Hmm?
Meron.
May pakasama pa? Ilan?
Dalawa.
Babae, lalaki?
Bakla.
Bakla. So ito, okay lang ba lulukuhin natin silang dalawa? Lulukuhin natin silang dalawa?
Jowa.
Magjowa sila? Lukuhin natin, okay lang. Kumari, sabihin nyo Koreano yung driver, ha?
Mga loko-loko naman.
Loko-loko sila? Ay, yari. Nasa, ito daw. Sabihin nyo Koreano ako, kaya magsasalita ako ng Korean.
Muacha.
No.
Arigato.
한국 사람은 another one?
Wow.
One?
Wow. Yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Hello, ano siya?
좌회전입니다. 그리고
Oh.
우회전입니다.
예, 한국 사람이에요.
Sawadika.
Oh,
Sawadika.
what language is it? Thailand. Thailand. 아니, you Filipino?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, because we're here in the Philippines.
Yes.
전방에 경찰 단속 제보가 있습니다.
But I want to learn Tagalog. Can you teach me Tagalog?
Oh, sure.
Any basic Tagalog?
Sige.
Hmm?
Sige.
Sige. Sige.
Sige means alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Sige.
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 Ilang taon ka na dito?
Hmm?
How many years are you here?
Oh, 3 years. 3 years
3
here.
years.
Yes. How to say in Tagalog?
Ilang taon
Ilang taong
ka na dito?
ka na
Dito.
dito? Dito. Ilang taong ka na dito?
Perfect.
Yeah. 오, 감사합니다.
Consumida means thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So, I know, but
You watching K-drama?
not all the time.
Mm.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes. Saan ka nakatira dito?
Hmm?
Saan ka nakatira dito?
Saan ka tira dito?
Yes.
What is it?
Where do you live here?
Where do you live?
Here.
Here.
Yes.
Saan ka
Saan ka nakatira
nakatira
dito?
dito?
Yes.
Where do you live?
Here.
Here.
Yes.
Mm.
So saan ka nakatira dito?
Makati.
Oh, Makati.
Yeah.
Where particular in Makati?
nearly poblacion.
Poblacion.
Yeah.
Do you have condo here or renting?
Renting.
Renting.
I'm in Korea, right?
Yeah.
I'm Oppa.
Opa.
Yeah, Oppa house.
Opa house.
Yeah,
Well, I
right?
thought like this Opa.
No, yeah. I read right, Oppa, right?
Opa.
That's why.
(200m) 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
Sino kasama mo dito?
Hmm?
Sino kasama mo dito?
Tito,
Kasama
kasama
mo
mo
dito.
Tito. Always Tito.
Yes.
Yeah,
Dito
here,
means
right?
here, yes.
Yeah.
Who's with you here?
I'm alone.
Oh, alone.
Yeah.
You're alone. You're alone living here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Because my Korean friend, go back to Korea.
So for how many years your contract here?
Hmm?
How many years you live here?
I want forever.
Oh,
But yeah.
asawa ka na.
Hmm?
May asawa ka na.
I don't understand Tagalog.
Do you have wife?
No.
May asawa ka na. Do
Yeah.
you have wife?
Do you have wife is mine?
Asawa.
Asawa
Asawa ka na.
kana.
Yes. Asawa means wife.
Ooh, wife is asawa.
800m 앞에서
By the way, what is your name?
Oh, my name is Rain.
Rain.
Yes. How about yours?
Oh yeah, my name is Jin-chan.
Chin Chan Su.
Hmm?
Chin Chan.
Yeah.
Your family name is Chan.
Jin-chan.
Chin Chan.
진짜나.
Chin Chan.
진짜나. 진짜나요.
괜찮아요.
Yeah.
200m 앞에서 회전입니다.
Chin Chan Su. Ilang taon ka na?
Hmm?
Ilang taon ka na?
Ilaw tao ka na?
Yes.
What is ilaw
How
tao?
old are you?
Oh, yeah. 전 35살입니다. 35.
35.
Yeah.
Di pala kayo magkalayo.
How about you? How old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I am 34.
Hmm?
회전입니다.
34.
Oy.
A little bit.
Yeah.
1 year gap.
Yeah. I need Tagalog. More Tagalog.
O sige. Do you know what is sige?
Hmm?
Do you know what is sige?
Yeah, alright.
200m 앞에서
Alright.
You
회전입니다.
learn from me.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah,
It's
감사합니다.
alright.
감사합니다.
May negosyo ka ba dito?
Hmm?
May negosyo ka dito?
My
Negosyo ka ba
ka ba
dito?
dito.
Means do you have business here?
Oh, business. Planning. Yeah, I'm planning to have a business here. Do you know Sangkyup, right?
Oh,
Sangkyup. Yeah.
yes, we love Sanggyeop.
Sangkyup is popular here, right?
Yeah.
In the Philippines.
Yes. Do you know how to speak Bisaya?
Hmm?
Do you know how to speak Bisaya?
No.
Ah,
Yeah, you Bisaya?
yes.
Where?
In Mindanao.
Where in Mindanao?
Zamboanga, do you have you been
Oh,
there
I've
already?
been Davao.
Oh,
Davao, yeah.
very nice.
Oh, all of you Mindanao?
No,
Oh.
we are different provinces.
You where?
She came from Bicol region.
Because
He came from Pangasinan,
oh,
northern Luzon.
and
And he came from Tuguegarao City in Cagayan Valley,
oh,
also North Luzon.
mm.
Magaling,
Hmm?
magaling,
Makaling.
Yes.
What is a makaling?
meaning you are good,
Good, oh?
good to see.
좋아요. 예. 괜찮아요.
Sensya ka na din. Sabi niya kasi pasensya na yun.
Koreana.
Ah?
Koreano. Di ba siya?
Do you have a boyfriend?
Oh yes, he is.
Oh, your boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, you love each other?
Of course.
Wow. That's good. Can I see the kiss if you love each other? Can I see the kiss?
Later. Siya na lang.
I do this because looking for space for my business. I just go around Metro Manila looking for my space place.
So maybe if you have already business in somewhere in Quezon City, we are inviting us to be your.
Who are you? How are you? You want to work
Oh,
in my business? I give you big salary.
oh,
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, you want it? You will be my secretary. You want it?
Yes. Is that true?
Yeah.
Really?
I gotta get your number.
Oh, sure.
What is your number?
Okay. Hindi mo malay mo naman.
What is number?
Sir 9
09
27
27
12
Saan nila? Ano ba to? Smart or Globe? Ano ba to? Smart or Globe?
Globe yan, globe.
Globe to?
Yes.
09?
Okay na. Okay.
Kukunin ka pa ba? Hindi na.
Hindi na!
Hindi na?
Hindi na.
Bakit?
Hayop.
Kaya na ba tawa ng tawa? It's a prank.
Ang galing mo naman pala ng Korean. Mga parehang Korean.
Galing, no?
Sa Korean.
Naniwala ka talaga Koreano ako?
Oo, kala ko talaga.
Bisaya ka kuya.
Oo, Bisaya in town.
Korean ka pa. Yeah.
So actually, ito nga, meron akong ikikwento sa inyo. Actually, naka-video po tayo.
Ay talaga, bongga.
Vlogger ka ba?
Vlogger.
Vlogger po ako.
Hindi nga.
Content creator ako. Oo nga.
Eh,
Ayaw maniwala.
Hindi.
Kung ano ba kung papanood ko yung video yun.
Uy, ano?
Saan?
Yan, si Kuya.
Talaga?
Napapanood ko lang.
Kung kilala ko si Kuya.
Ay talaga, kanina.
Nakapanood ko yung mga vlog mo, Kuya.
Buti hindi mo ako binuko, no?
Hindi.
Ang galing naman naman.
Anong-
Kasama.
Ano?
So talagang siya lang talaga yung na-prank, no?
Totoo ba?
Totoo, search mo sa Facebook.
Walang hiya ka.
Pagka pinapapanood ko yung mga sumasakay sa mga ano.
So dito na kayo bababa.
Mm-mm.
Okay, kasi medyo matraffic eh. So at dahil dyan, na-prank ko kayo, it's a free ride.
Ay, totoo ba?
Oh, yes, sure.
Wow.
Totoo kuya.
Totoo,
Ala,
totoo.
thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Picture kasi
Thank
may
you,
free
kuya.
ride tayo.
Ayan.
Ako na picture. Free ride.
Ala, yes, sana all.
Ayan.
Maraming driver na ganito.
Yes,
Thank you,
Oh,
kuya.
welcome,
God
Ingat kayo,
bless.
Bye-bye.
Follow ka namin.
Sure
kuya.
ba?
Sure, panoorin na namin yung ano,
Panoorin nyo, ha?
Upload mo na agad yan.
Ah, wait
Baka
lang.
wala kang kitain kuya ah.
Ah, di kaya yan.
I-share namin.
Bye-bye. Okay. Yes, you. Yeah, and it's done. Bertos TV, the Korean prankster, at first time tayo makapag-prank dito sa ating bagong sasakyan. No, from Bios to 6-seater na ako. Kita-kits sa booking, sa biyahe, sa kalsada. See you next vlog. Woo!